we've just got here, yeah, and we're just about to do a test recording.
Okay. Hello guys, my name is Wilfred Chaona Africa Nyamashisha. I'm a Mbira player, and I'm very happy to be in this project, and I think you are going to enjoy my videos. Thank you very much.
What song are you going to play for us now?
And now I'm going to give you Taireva.
Cool. And the tuning. These mixed
tuning,
orchestra tunings are giving me a headache, because when I get home the notation is going to be a nightmare for me. So you're giving me extra work.
Yeah, it's Taireva tuning.
Taireva tuning. So this note here is kind of.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Here. No, this one.
Yeah.
Nice one. Great.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm going to squeeze in here while we're recording. Go for it. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Maitavasa, you've welcomed us into your home today.
Yeah.
That's very kind of you. And who do we have over here?
Okay.
Who's this?
It's my wife and our guy, baby boy. Yeah.
And we have a special guest as well, also for the first time. You two are coming together to play. We'll get something of the two of you doing something together. Japhet Matamba. Yeah, welcome along. We're going to have some Mbira and Jari. And maybe, did you bring the Nyunga Nyunga, the karimba? No. Okay, cool. No, but Mbira and Anjari is enough. Nice one. A wave goodbye for everybody. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Yeah, sure.